Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful warm day. It is a little bit cloudy. This morning the trash is on the streets. We're gonna take a stroll here. Have a look how the neighborhood looks today. It feels very peaceful somehow. Mornings are always better to go out. And it's not that hot yet. But to be honest, when there's some nice clouds out there, it's actually better with the heat. This is also what you have to really think about. Can you really tolerate the heat? Because it's gonna be very, very hot in the summer, always. Every summer is the same, it's always very hot. Everywhere here in Southeast Asia, I would say. Like in Thailand, it's exactly the same. It's super hot. And this humidity is just off the chart. It's crazy. Look at this, there's some recycling going on here. I don't understand how everything works here, but I guess. I don't know why they have music now over there. Very strange. So loud even. Maybe the construction guys, they need some love music. Maybe someone has some what is it called? Love problems? Guys, this looks so empty, right? It is, let me check the time. 9:24. 9:24. The tourist area looks somehow, I don't know, empty. Or is it just me? Right? The Le Quan Dao, this is my old home here. This is where I lived for almost 4 years. In this building there. But I'm not living there anymore. But yeah, was always my street. And it was, at the end, it was so annoying. It is super nice to live here because, as you can see, we are literally close to everything. We are 2-3 minutes to the beach. Everything is close by. My laundry is here, pharmacy, there's a barber next door, nail shop down there, a bar here. But the problem is this bar here. Because, or this restaurant better. This restaurant is a huge problem if you live in the street. Because they have bus groups. All types of bus groups from everywhere. And they always park here. So it's just a big mess during those hours when they have lunch and dinner. They always have buses here, and yeah, everything is completely full of traffic jam. But yeah, I miss actually my full market people. Pumbaa is here. I hope the Canadian dude's doing well. I don't see it often full, you know. Is there something standing out there? Hold on. What's going on? Late? I mean, it's not open now. Maybe it's closed. Is this the first closing here in this neighborhood? It's very weird. So I think I said it in a few videos before. I feel like Western tourism, or at least the people who usually go to the same spots that I do, are not there anymore. And I mean, I also moved, so. What is he selling? Rice? 43 or 42 roastery. If you want to have expensive coffee, this is the place to go. I think we had a $10 espresso or something like that in Hanoi one time on the same brand. And Volker, a member of this channel, also had one for 17. But okay, you know, this is like specialty beans and very special, you know, everything is like very high-end things. But it's also a market for that. But to be honest, just like the normal espresso, I don't like when it's like, or for consistency of a tea. That's how I felt the expensive coffee was. Somehow tea-ish. And to be honest, I just want to get down the espresso to get a little bit caffeine in my body. And because it's not only the espresso what I like to do. I like to go, have an espresso, sit down, and relax for 10 minutes. Ooh, nice. Nice, 24/7. Probably this place will be completely packed at nighttime when everyone is drinking alcohol here and then going there and having their snack. This is the bar street. I'm also checking out what's new here now. It's still the same corner pub. Pretty looks all the same. But here, this is brand new. Oh my God, they demolished so many buildings there. This is crazy. For you who've been here many years ago, Aqua Betty is gone. They completely demolished the whole area and rebuild it now. And now we have blue sky. Cafe, pub, cigar. This is so... I cannot understand how they have so much money for that. It was always this bar over there. It was never really full, if I remember right. Okay. I'm not sure what's gonna go in there. Cafe, pub, cigar. All right. All right. Crazy. Changed so much. I'm wondering what this will be. Something open air. But it's going to be done soon. I think if you have not been here for 6 months, it's going to be a huge shock for you. Because 6 months ago, everything was different here. Completely. Even this one was different. And all the little shops that were here on the main street, they now moved into this village, what they built, which is a smart thing. And I actually like it more than it was before. So they have a bar in the middle, and then it feels like a food stand place, like a, what is it called again? Where you can just get food of each place and eat in the middle together. I forgot the name, guys. It's too early. It's too early. I should do walking tours in the afternoon. Afternoon, I can tell you, I'm so busy in the afternoon, but afternoon, it's so nice at the moment. I feel like every day starts cloudy, and then in the afternoon, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I hear also a lot of stories about here, very rowdy nights. Wow, let's check out Thuong 8 or 9 or whatever it is. So a lot of things have changed here as well. Oh my God. They completely demolished this one building. I thought they're putting something in, but no. They demolished it. And now it's fenced. You know what that means, right? It's getting sold. It's usually the sign. If they don't want to do anything with it, then it will be just open. But tearing down everything and fencing it, that's the biggest sign of selling. Is this a coffin? This is a coffin, right? What is this? What is this? This is like a horror movie here. You know what's very scary? To see how this building here is built. Like look at the bricks. That's scary. Like think about it. Look at closely. Look at how they built this house. Do you think that's normal? Bloody hell, that's dangerous. I mean, at the end, those walls are not that important because I think it's the structure that holds everything together, but still. I can see how mold can go into the place. But yeah, before this was not open, you know, there was a house here. So I guess they built after this house. So they were not able to seal something from outside. I mean, it makes sense. Still, the quality of the, look at how that looks. Bloody hell. I would be scared in that. I can almost guarantee that they have a mold problem. At least now, when the house is gone. If they don't build anything with it, they kind of have to fix it. Because they literally open holes. And when it starts raining and the monsoons start coming, the typhoons, I feel like the Mian Sports Center, I've been there a long time. I feel like the Mian Sports Center could be renovated in a way that it's gonna be like a Bali type thing, right? Make it a sexy gym. But at the moment it's just very unattractive, the whole place. But the land and everything, it could be a high potential. Oh my God. They tear down this building too. Dude, I really thought they're just renovating. But they just tear it down. This is crazy. It's crazy. There were 2 places in there. Also the Sleepy Pub was here, right here. Wow. And also it's very sad to see the chicken wings and chicken feet spot is gone. I know something what I cannot say yet officially, but something very nice will be built here. Look at this, this is a Bentley? Yes, it's a Bentley. Ooh. Okay, so this is a Bentley. Now let's think about, is it Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi? What are you thinking? I feel like, okay, you know what? I say Ho Chi Minh City, 51. It's 30, it's Hanoi. Damn it, I should have known better. So 30 is the number plate of Hanoi. Or 29. But yeah, over there, hold on, how do I walk now? Yes, I walk here. So here's something very, very nice getting built. I will film it now, how it looks now. And I need to have it for the archive. And then soon something very nice will be there. I'm gonna film it and I will not have a commentary on it. Yeah. Keep in mind, remember this time, and I will film it in 2 months again. This is also crazy that they. Hello. Good. How are you? So full market. Actually, also there was like 2-3 businesses before it became a full market, and I think full market always is profitable. It somehow works. Even though a full market is here, and the next full market is just 20 meters from here. But who cares? I think the more convenience store from the same brand you have around, the easier the operations is. Check this out. And then 200 meters, again, full market on the same street. Good. I like it. I like convenience. I'm wondering how long they're gonna make, because I don't see it often full. Wow, they completely fixed the pavement here. I've never been able to walk here on this pavement part. You know what's going to be very interesting? If this conflict in the Middle East is going to continue, how it now will affect the traveling around and the prices of flying and the tourism in Southeast Asia. I mean, Thailand is already very, very bad numbers, I guess. Yeah, I'm wondering if that's going to become an old issue everywhere here. I mean, Da Nang is usually a spot, at least this neighborhood, where people stay for a few weeks or months. But yeah, for the Western tourism. I think Koreans and Chinese, Japanese, they come here just for a few days as well. And I think this is more important, like the short-term tourists for the economy. Oh my God, what is going on here? This is why I cannot live here, guys. I hope you see that. It's just dust. Just dust.
I just forced myself.
Hey, where's your helmet, man? Yeah? Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.